Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make butter chicken. Now you need quite a few ingredients for this one, but most of the things, if you've been cooking for a while, you should have it in your kitchen. So first of all, I'm going to prep the chicken. Now, normally I probably would have used 2-3 breasts. Made it a whole lot easier, boneless, skinless breast. And I know in America, you can buy boneless, skinless thighs, but I can't find that here. And I saw that they had on sale leg quarters, so leg and thighs. So I decided, well, you know what? This would be the perfect time for me to start learning how to debone a chicken before it's cooking. So the first 2 pieces, I struggled. It took me a while, but once I got the hang of it, I was able to take most of the meat off the chicken and put the skin and the bone to the side. Now, the great thing about doing it that way was that the bones and the skin that I had left over, I boiled it, I separated the meat, and then I was able to make a chicken broth and cream of chicken with it. Now, after deboning all the chicken pieces that I could get, you put it all in the crock pot. Man, you start off the chicken, you put in some salt. I should have measured out, but I based on taste. Same as pepper. You basically just add everything in how much you think it should be, and then you adjust later. I have a tablespoon of garam masala, chili powder, curry powder. One of the 3 that I had to get was a garam masala, but I got that for my birthday, so I had it. Yes, I'm doing 4 cloves of garlic. And if you put 5 in there, I think you probably just be more garlicky, but it would be okay. And I know some garlic pieces are different sizes, you know. Next time I probably, well, no, just do how much you think works. Look, like I said, you can add a little bit here and there at the end of it. But like I was saying with the chicken, I didn't waste any parts. I used the chicken pieces that were left over. I put the extra meat after I boiled it. It was, of course, the chicken fell out the bone. Now I'm adding some cream, some yogurt. And I used the chicken meat for a salad. And I used the bones to make a broth and a stock to be used later, so there was nothing being waste. But if you want to save time, just cut off some chicken breasts. Anyway, some tomato paste, added that to the recipe. 70 grams butter. The great thing about a slow cooker is you can turn it on in the morning and just let it run. There are 350 milliliters of milk. Just let it run, and then by the time you're ready to eat, if you do low on 8 and sometimes it's 4 on high, and you can just have it ready for you when you're ready to eat. Now, I will say, if you are cooking for someone and they are not able to handle the hot spice, maybe you should leave the chili powder out completely and the garam masala. We don't leave them out, you just reduce them. Half a teaspoon, quarter of a teaspoon. Or you can just leave the chili powder out completely. For my son, I had to do that because he likes hot things, but not everything. So now, yeah, I'm finished. Yeah, this came out with a great consistency. If you want to make it a little bit thicker, you can. If you want to reduce some of the fat, you can. But I think it turned out perfect. Got me some naan here. You'll see a video of the butter chicken. See how it tastes. The butter chicken really does a good job. It tastes very good, I'm sorry. And the naan, the comparison with the naan. Oh, let's go. Yeah. That's good. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope that you like and subscribe. Thank you.